9 Visual Studio Code extensions that make programming easier. You must have faced problems while writing your code. Like it takes a lot of time to complete, you get errors, end up thinking programming is not your cup of tea. Then this video you are about to watch is exclusively made for you. Here are 9 Visual Studio Code extensions that will make your programming easier. Visual Studio Code is one of the best free source code editor made by Microsoft for Windows, Linux and macOS. It gives the user-friendly environment which have amazing features. Before we go into the details about the extensions that will make your life easier as a programmer, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be the first to know when we publish a video that will make programming easier for you. If you don't know how to install the extensions, don't worry, it's very easy. Click the extensions icon on the left side of the screen. It's the fifth icon, immediately below the debug icon. Search the extension in search bar and click on Install. Now, you know how to install extensions. So, without wasting any time, let's know about the extension which would make your programming easier. Alert, these extensions are from my personal experience. You can always explore more to find what works best for you. Here they are. 1. Live Server. The Live Server extension is extremely useful for web development. This extension provides a live reload feature for both static and dynamic pages. Changes are immediately reflected in the browser as you save your code. Every time you save your code, it will reload the browser and you can see the changes reflected in the browser. Thus, this extension makes it faster to spot the error and so you can easily do some experiments with your code. 2. Code Spell Checker. Code Spell Checker is a basic spell checker by street-side software that works well with camel case code. This spell checker is to help catch common spelling errors while keeping the number of false positive low. Once installation is finished, the spell checker in the files and programming languages will automatically be enabled. It supports a bunch of languages. 3. GitLens. GitLens is an open-source extension by Git Kraken which helps you to better understand code. It quickly glimpses into whom, why and when a line or code blocks was changed. It provides many awesome features like revision navigation, current line blame, authorship code lens, status bar blame, Git command palette, terminal links and many more. 4. Kite. Kite is an AI-powered programming assistant. It is an autocomplete extension by Kite which helps you to write code faster by saving your keystones and showing you the right information at the right time. Kite works for all major programming languages: Python, Java, Go, PHP, C, C#, C++, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, TypeScript, React, Ruby, Scala, Kotlin, Bash, Vue and React. 5. LiveShare. LiveShare is a real-time collaborative development extension by Microsoft. It enables you to collaboratively edit and debug with others in real time, regardless of what programming language you're using or app you're building. Unlike traditional pair programming, it allows developers to work together while retaining their personal editor preferences, as well as their own cursor. 6. Path IntelliSense. Path IntelliSense auto-completes file names and is developed by Christian Kohler. This fork supports JSON 5 configuration files. 7. Prettier. Prettier is an opinionated code formatter. It enforces a consistent style by parsing your code and reprinting it with its own rules that take the maximum line length into account, wrapping code when necessary. It ensures that this extension is used over other extensions you may have installed. Be sure to set it as the default formatter in your VS Code settings. The setting can be set for all languages or by a specific language. 8. OneDark Pro. OneDark Pro is based on Atom's default OneDark theme and is one of the most downloaded themes for VS Code. To apply this extension, press Ctrl+K, then press Ctrl+T. You will see a theme selection interface. Choose OneDark Pro. 9. Discord Presence. Discord Presence update your Discord status with a rich presence. It supports custom string, stable or insiders build detection, debug mode detection and easily manually reconnect to Discord. It is support for over 140 of the most popular language and have many awesome features. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for us to make more awesome videos like this. Catch you next time.